I'm Rajnikant. Welcome you to my YouTube channel Sumanth Digital English Tutorial Videos. Dear guys, today I have brought long answer type questions for the book Beehive, English 9th class, Lesson 1, The Fun They Had. Question 1. How did Margie and Tommy react to the book Tommy found in his attic? Why? Dear guys, its answer. Margie and Tommy were neighbors and friends. They lived in 2157 in an age of technology when going to school meant sitting in a room by oneself, being taught by a mechanical teacher that was adjusted to fit the learner's mind, and reading from a telebook with moving words. Then on day 7 May 2157, Tommy found an old paper book with yellow and crinkly pages in the attic of his house. He shared the exciting news with his friend Margie, and together they are wonder-struck, for they had before that never seen or heard about a book that had no screen but only fixed text on the pages. The book was quite different from the telebooks they were used to. As Margie and Tommy read the book, they were amazed by its content. They discovered that hundreds of years ago, schools were huge buildings where the children went to study, and where the children of the same age studied together and carried out the same activities and tasks. They were taught by real human teachers with the help of real books. Now question 2. Describe the old school as described in the book. How did it influence Margie? Dear guys, its answer. The book which Tommy found was about school. However, it was not the kind of school Margie and Tommy were used to, but the old kind of school that were there hundreds and hundreds of years ago. School was a special building, and all the kids went there to study. These schools the study material was taught by a regular teacher. A man told the boys and the girls things and gave them homework and asked them questions. At school, all the children of the same age studied together and carried out the same activities and tasks. Margie thought about the old kind of school. She was thinking about all the kids from the whole neighborhood came laughing and shouting in the schoolyard, sitting together in schoolroom, going home together at the end of the day. They learned the same thing, so they could help one another with the homework and task about it. Margie thought about the old school system and how much fun the children must have had learning and spending time together. Question 3. Write a short note on the school system in the fun they had. Its answer. Margie and Tommy are young school going children in the year 2157. Schools and teachers in the 22nd century are entirely different from the one in present day. Margie and Tommy's school is not in a separate special building, but a room in their respective houses where the television or the mechanical teacher is placed. Each student has to sit and study alone with the help of mechanical teacher, a large and black and ugly machine with a big screen on which all the lessons are shown and the questions are asked. The teacher assigns tests to the students and assesses the progress. The speed of the different subject sectors is fixed according to the age level of each student. There is a special slot in the tele-teacher where the students have to insert their homework or tests. If the mechanical teacher develops any fault, there are engineers to repair it. Sometimes the fault may be major one and it takes long to repair it, as was in case when Tommy's history teacher developed a snag and it took a month to repair it. Thus, the mechanical teachers and school rooms of the Margie and Tommy are fully computerized and are completely different from the present day schools. Question 4. Do you agree that schools today are better than the schools in the story, the fun they had? Give reasons for your choice. Its answer. S. In the story, the fun they had, writer Isaac Asimov talks about the schools of the future. In this future, school is a room in the house where each child is taught by a mechanical teacher and there are telebooks on the television screens. After reading the story, I think that we peoples in the present should be satisfied. I agree an individual teacher for each child can work better than and more intensity with the people, and when the parents set the school time, a child can have flexible school hours. If the school room is at home, the children do not have to walk or deliver so far as this saves system and money. But on the other hand, we lose an opportunity of social contacts. The most important advantage we have today is we have contacts with other kids. In the breaks, we can talk to each other and we have fun with them. Pupils solve problems together, very important for the later life and the development of a child. And a human teacher is definitely a better educator than a machine because he knows the problems of the humans and children. A machine will never be able to feel like a human. Moreover, a human teacher can provide valuable guidance and values that mechanical teachers cannot. So, dear guys, it was all for today. Hope you must have understood everything. Keep watching it from top to toe in order to have the clear conception. Bye.